and all other teacher staffs. And a special good morning to my all juniors and classmates. Good morning, everyone. Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, bro. So I am Ganeshwar Jode from BBA third year here to deliver my farewell speech. So first of all, I want to say sorry. Yes, I want to say sorry. Sorry for anything, any mistake that I am going to do. Because yaar, all the boys, handsome boys out there and beautiful girls out there, looking fantastic. So I am crazy and nervous at the same time. So I think I can't handle this situation. So maybe I think I can do some mistakes. Okay? तो ये सही है यार कि पहले sorry बोल दो and then you are open to make mistakes. Okay? So let's move ahead. It will quite challenging for me to summarize my all entire 3-year experience in just few words. But yes, I will do my best. So let's get back to 2019. I was simply a shy, introvert type of a person. Entered the college with hundreds of questions in my mind. Questions like teachers कैसे होंगे, कॉलेज कैसा होगा, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो बॉयज के मन में रहता है, लड़कियां कैसी होगी, राइट? तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, बट I got all the answers in the first semester itself. All teachers were open to communicate, they are friendly. और कभी भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सर से कम्युनिकेट करने में. बहुत सारे अच्छे दोस्त बने और सर ने मुझे एक बहुत प्यारा नाम दिया है, डैनी. थैंक यू सो मच सर. रोहित सर ने मुझे फर्स्ट ईयर में नाम दिया था. सो इट वॉज फन, एक्साइटेड. दैट वॉज ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. बट God has other plans and COVID happened. We know what happened in COVID, right? Initially, we all were happy that there will be no lectures. We will take our classes from our home, no offline exams. So initially, we all were happy, and I started believing a thought that colleges are outdated. I started believing, but as the days passed on, जैसे जैसे दिन आगे बढ़े, हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि कहीं ना कहीं हम जो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर है, जो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस है, अपनी फ्रेंडशिप, हम अपने कॉलेज डेज को मिस करने लगे. और उस दिन मुझे समझ में आया कि कॉलेजेस विल नेवर बी आउटडेटेड. जस्ट सिलेबस एंड द वे ऑफ टीचिंग में भी. इसमें मैं और एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. कोविड के टाइम पे हमारे पेरेंट्स की जो इनकम थी वो रुक गई थी, बट स्टिल उस टाइम में भी हमारे पेरेंट्स ने कैसे मैनेज करके हमारी कॉलेज की फीस पे किया है. तो अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. मेरी बात जोरदार अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए बोला है तो जोरदार होनी चाहिए. Thank you so much. Then colleges reopened. We all started our journey with excitement, new hope. Right? We share memorable moments with each other. We danced with each other. We played games. We laughed, and better we get connected. From discussing businesses, startups, stocks, cryptos, to sharing glass of beer with we all grown up. Right? So यार एक छिछोरे मूवी से एक लाइन है वो आप सभी के लिए बोलना चाहूँगा, अपने खास दोस्तों के लिए बोलना चाहूँगा. सच्चे दोस्त वही होते हैं जो अच्छे वक्त में आपकी बचाते हैं. सच्चे दोस्त वही होते हैं जो अच्छे वक्त में आपकी बचाते हैं, और वही छिछोरे, और जब आपका बुरा वक्त आता है तो वही छिछोरे आपके दरवाजे पर नजर आते हैं. सो लव यू माय फ्रेंड्स.
Love you too, bro.
So after graduation, some will pursue their MBAs, some will start their businesses, some will be like welcome to my YouTube channel, and some will be like welcome to my vlogs. So whatever you are going to do, all the best for that. At the end, I would like to give some advice to my juniors. So juniors, are you ready? Juniors, are you ready? Okay, so my first advice is explore as much as possible. Explore as much as possible. Second one, make networks. Start talking to people. Because if you are in a B school and if you do not make network, it doesn't make any sense. So make network. Your network is your net worth. And at the end, don't forget that you are living one of the best years of your life. I repeat it again. You are living one of the best years of your life. So paint it with your achievements, glories, memories, and crazy things. At the end, I would like to thank each and every teacher and mentors present here. I guess what we learn in classrooms are not just the management lessons. They were in fact lessons of the life that we will take with us forever. So thank you so much, juniors, for this lovely lovely farewell. Thank you so much, my classmates, for whatever things you brought in my life. Thank you, seniors. Okay, they are not present here, but still, thank you so much, my MBA seniors. And finally, thank you so much, God, for these amazing 3 years, because I experienced success and failure. I experienced change. I experienced true friendship. And finally, I experienced love as well. But one-sided. But one-sided. Okay. So, love you all and thank you so much. Gyaneshwar Jode signing off. Thank you so much.